morning comes, I'm on my feet. Another day, another street. Work all day beneath the sun. Still the bills keep coming one by one. I count the money in my hand, trying hard to make it last, but every dollar disappears before I even breathe it back. The paycheck is never enough, no matter how hard I work. I give my time, I give my strength. Still life keeps making it tough. The paycheck is never enough, but I can't walk away. Got someone waiting back at home, so I rise and face the day. My hands are tired, my eyes are low. Still there's another place to go. Nobody knows the weight I bear. I keep it hidden everywhere. Maybe one day things will change. Maybe peace will know my name. Until that morning comes around, I keep my feet upon the ground. The paycheck is never enough, no matter how hard I work. I give my time, I give my strength. Still life keeps making it tough. The paycheck is never enough, but I'm still standing here. I may be tired, I may be worn, but I won't disappear. Midnight falls, he's still awake. Another shift, another break. City lights are fading low, but he's got somewhere else to go. While the whole world closes eyes, he keeps moving through the night. Heavy feet and tired bones, still he carries what he owns. He works while the world sleeps, trying to keep his family strong. He works while the world sleeps, even when the night feels long. No one sees the hours he gives, no one knows the road he walks. another year. He don't need a crown or fame, just enough to ease the pain. One more night, one more fight, one more step toward morning light. He works while the world sleeps, trying to keep his family strong. He works while the world sleeps, even when the night feels long. When the morning starts to rise, he'll be walking home alone. He works while the world sleeps, just to give his loved ones hope. Up with a heavy head, another morning out of bed. His body says just stay today, but bills don't ever feel the same. He looks at what he had and wonders how it will last. Every little thing costs more than it did the day before. A tired man still has bills to pay, so he gets up and walks away. His heart is weak, his hands are worn, but he keeps moving with the dawn. A tired man still has bills to pay. He cannot throw his life away. No matter how the road gets hard, he keeps on pushing through the dark. Counts the notes beside the bed, thinks about the words he said. I'll make it work somehow, I will. Then silence comes across the room. Nobody knows what he hides, the quiet tears he keeps inside. He doesn't ask for much from life, just one good day without the fight. A tired man still has bills to pay, so he gets up and walks away. His heart is weak, his hands are worn, but he keeps moving with the dawn. A tired man still has bills to pay. Tomorrow brings another day. He may be tired, he may be scarred, but he keeps pushing through the dark. Another day, a tired smile upon his face. He keeps his pain in a hidden place. Everybody needs his hands. Everybody knows his plans. But when the night is closing in, nobody asks what's happening. No one asks if he's okay. They just need him every day. He keeps giving, keeps holding on, even when his strength is gone. No one asks if he's okay, so he hides the pain away with a heavy heart and tired eyes. He keeps walking through the night. He hears the words, "You'll be alright," then carries on into the night. There's so much he would like to say, but he keeps those words locked away. If someone stopped and asked him why, maybe he would not have to lie. Maybe one day he could confess, "I'm tired too, I need some rest." No one asks if he's okay. They just need him every day. He keeps giving, keeps holding on, even when his strength is gone. No one asks if he's okay, but he still gets up each day with a heavy heart and tired eyes. He keeps walking toward the light. No one asks if he's okay. They just need him every day. He keeps giving, keeps holding on, even when his strength is gone. No one asks if he's okay, so he hides the pain away with a heavy heart and tired eyes. He keeps walking through the night. The night is fading, morning comes. He knows exactly what he's done. Another day is waiting there, another load for him to bear. He lays his tired body down, but morning never waits around. The little red disappear with morning light. Tomorrow he'll do it all again. Wake up and face the rain. Put his tired feet back on the road and carry what he has to hold. Tomorrow he'll do it all again. Even when he's near the end, he may be tired, he may be worn, but he'll be standing with the dawn. He knows the struggle, knows the cost, knows all the time that he has lost. But somewhere deep inside his heart, he knows he cannot fall apart. Maybe life will change someday. Maybe better times will find their way. Until that day comes into view, he'll keep doing what he has to do. Tomorrow